Today we're gonna start out by telling you that our next big project, we're getting ready to basically finish out our basement.
Oh my God.
Can you guys talk too?
All right, take two.
Good morning, good morning. How are you all today?
Good morning, guys.
We're gonna take you along today and tell you about our project that we're getting ready to start doing, DIY and finishing out our basement.
Yeah, pretty well a basement makeover. We've been wanting to do this for a while, and there's really no better time to start it. We're not going to give no timeline on it. We would like to have it done before winter because she is a photographer.
Yeah.
And
part of what we're gonna do is make me a studio down in the basement, so it needs to be finished and in better condition. So what we're gonna do though today is we're gonna take you down and show you what it looks like now, and the mess that's down there right now. And we'll take you along for us each day as we go along.
yeah, like I said, we're really pumped about this project, and it's going to take some time, and we'd like to get some input from you guys about painting the ceiling down there. It's all open, and
We're debating between black or
a white, and
so once you see it down there, you have any, and if you do photography and you have your own studio, hey, let me know what colors seem to work best. You know, this is a brand new project for us, so.
and we're going to be building the walls out and everything, so we can always slap some color on the walls. But we're really looking forward to getting started on this. Actually, we're going to start on it tomorrow, getting everything moved out, and we're going to be we'll be putting we're going to call it the basement makeover
Project or something.
series or something like that, and we're going to do it like part 1, part 2, and we're going to put a video out each week, probably on Sunday, maybe Saturday, but we're just going to do it that way, and hopefully you guys you know, come along and with us on this journey. Like I said, it's going to take some time. We're not going to put no timeline on it.
Yeah, and basically too, what we're going to do, we're going to try to, after we do the premiere of the videos each week, and we'll try to do a live, so you know, y'all can let us know what you think, any tips you have. Also would be a good way to, you know, be able to talk with you guys too. So
yeah, because we're not professionals.
By no means.
Yeah, by no means, but I think we can do this together, and like I said, if you guys have any input on it, you know, let us know. It is going to be a job, but we'll take you downstairs and show you the way it looks right now, and show you our ideas, what we want, and everything. So let's get downstairs.
All right, everybody, welcome down to our basement. Like you can see, it's definitely nowhere near being a finished basement.
No, not at all.
We've got piles of clothes over here because we done a closet clean out, so we're getting ready to, what we haven't sold, we're going to just basically take and donate to a local thrift store or clothing bank or something.
And it's
so,
always nice to donate to something like that, local.
yeah.
But like I said, we got a lot of work to do down here, but we'll take you guys around, show you what we want to do. Okay guys, here's all the clothes that we're going to be donating, and this stuff is going to be all taken out.
Some of it's probably going to be gone, some of it we'll be able to keep. I mean, we got some pictures, family pictures and stuff in some of those, and different keepsakes that we want to keep, but Christmas stuff, things like that. But we're definitely need to go through all that as well.
Yeah, so here is, I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Here's some, this is the ceiling and everything. It runs all the way over here and all over here.
I mean, obviously with the pipes and wires, we can't close it off, so, but we can still paint.
Yeah, but all this is going to be, all this is going to the dump, except for the bike. That's Caroline's bike.
And my flower.
And all this is going to the dump. We're going to be getting rid of all this. So this is all going to be cleaned out. And I'm going to clean all the walls off and slap some paint on it and everything. And up here on top, we're either wanting to spray it all black or all white. And I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe white.
To brighten it up.
To brighten it up. We're definitely going to put new lighting in here. And so all that will be gone. We'll have new lights. But
we do have, if y'all have any ideas too of something, is it right here about in this area where when it rains real hard?
When it rains really, really hard, it does get some water down in this one little spot, but it runs all the way down there to the drain. So it does. This is the only spot. I did put some sill on it.
It seemed to help.
It seemed to help out, which we ain't had rain for seems like a month. But so I might put another coat of that on down here. But all the walls are going to be painted. The windows are going to be, they're painted on the outside, not the inside. But I'm thinking about just doing some cutouts and laying them in there.
Sorry, Mommy.
And if you see over here,
Sorry.
if you see over here, we're going to move the washer and dryer around. This shelf's going to be gone. That's coming down. And like I said, new lighting. But all this is going to be gone. It's going to be pretty well emptied out. And this whole section right here is going to be Angie's studio.
So basically I'll have from here all the way back, and then basically from here. So I'll have a good size area to work with.
And when we start painting, I want to cover all this up. This AC and heating unit.
And we know we have to leave access.
Because this stuff's probably 6 months old.
If that.
If that. This is all brand new. So when we paint, we want to get all this covered up because we don't want to get no paint or anything on it. But I mean, it's going to look totally different in here. And on this side, this is going to be a work area. I'm going to put some cabinets in. And this is going to be a work area because we do have a t-shirt shop and everything. So this whole area right here would be an awesome workshop, and we can run it. And here in a minute, we'll show you what we're thinking about the layout. Okay, for the layout, we was thinking about, we're going to be putting walls and everything up in drywall, but we was thinking about bringing it out to about right here, bringing it across to about right here, and kind of make a walkway into Angie's studio. Then we can bring a wall out and take it that way, or square it up and put a door, a walkway into the laundry room.
I really need the studio to have a little bit of a privacy effect when I do the boudoir shots for photography. So, you know, I want the clients to have that privacy. Like if they want to change clothes, I can step out if they want me to while they change clothes or whatever. So.
Sorry for the noise, the AC is picked up. I don't know about anywhere else, but it has been hot here. It's been
Yes.
triple digits, and I don't think we've had any rain for a few weeks. So
Not enough to count.
yeah. So, but anyway, like I said, we're gonna bring the wall, as we have this pipe, the water pipe and everything, which I'm thinking about painting black
Just to blend in.
just to blend in. Then I'm gonna bring it, like I said, to probably about right here, and we can attach right here on this beam. But we're
The current temperature in Hamilton is 85 degrees.
it's gonna like I said, we're
I
gonna
can give you
put
lots
new
of
lighting
information
in,
about your day.
and
I'll send
on
you
the
a
work
notification
side
with
we're gonna
more to
run
try.
some new lighting, but we're thinking about putting LED lights around.
Yeah, what they call, I guess, shop lights type thing too, on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Because I really need the studio to have some really good lighting, so.
So
I have the lighting that I can set up, but if I have natural looking lighting, it makes it much better.
but like I said, we're going to starting tomorrow. We're going to get rid of all these clothes, and we're going to haul this stuff out. All the stuff on this side goes to the dump, and once we get all of it cleaned out, we're going to wrap the AC and heating unit, water heater, and we're going to start spraying the top here. And once we get that done, we're going to tackle the wall, take the shelves off, tackle the walls. I just want some fresh paint on it before we actually put the walls up. But go from there. On the floor, I don't think we're going to put a wood floor down, because it's a pretty good size floor, and it would,
Concrete.
and it, well, we can put it over concrete, but it'll be a lot of money. So what we're thinking about is getting some concrete paint, maybe something for like they do for our garage floor with the sprinkles,
Mm-hmm.
and doing a light gray on the floor. But
Because I found on Amazon, for me, they're just snapped together, kind of like those ABC tiles that the kids get to play on their phone, but they look like wood, and you can snap them together if you need a wood makeshift floor for photos. Then I can just pick it up and store it when I'm not using it.
yeah. So, like I said, we're looking forward to getting started on this, and this is just
This is basically day zero.
yeah, day zero, and we're going to do it in like in part 1, part 2, part 3, etc., etc. And once we get it all done, cleaned out, and started on it, if you guys have any ideas, I mean, let us know, because like I said, we're not professionals.
No,
But,
Hi guys.
we're open to any suggestions, ideas, tips, tricks.
especially on the ceiling, because I know we can spray it, because I watched a few YouTube videos, and that looks like about the easiest way.
But
It
with
is.
all these pipes and stuff, I don't.
Well, we
you
can
might
spray
not-
it. Well, I want them. They're going to be painted anyway.
Yeah,
And, well, I don't know. I doubt it, because
I don't know if we can.
I'm not painting the new pipes they just ran. I'll leave these exposed. But all the others we can paint. These pipes right here are new, which is running to our AC and heating unit. And, but other than that, like I said, I hope you guys will come along for this journey. Like I said, we ain't putting no timeline on it. We would like to have it done before it gets cold, because she'll start doing her photo shoots down here. Because in the fall, she'll be doing all the photos in different
Probably
locations.
outdoors.
Different locations. Because we do live in the Hoosier National Forest, and the fall colors here are amazing. And but this winter she'll be doing photo shoots down here, so that's the goal. Anything else?
Not that I can think of. I'm just like I said, this is day zero for us, so as we go along, there may be questions that pop up, or hiccups that come up too. I mean, that happens.
Yeah.
Every project, there always seems to be something that like goes wrong. So
But we can do
we're
it.
crossing our fingers that
All right.
everything goes well. So hope you follow along with us, and we will see you back here on the next one.
Well, have a good day.